Ni abre aye boy na afei ye beye nhwehwemu ebeba ebeka se omanfo ne se corruption akosho no wo party wa aban mu mo fight no wo ye sure say e wo grounds ana ye mano keke
enye ya no keke me dance. Thank you for this question. So be some aban we buy no in corruption rate and our hope before we came in.
Net rating here saying
me ma figure mpacho.
Okay, nanka me na mpese me then you bet me dia toto.
Na nyina Ghana for nye MPP party nko corruption here in the corruption cause abide boss matter office, SP office, special prosecutor's office. Mete na zero otse menua. Ote ase.
Yeah.
Menka se yankoso no pechi mfa no nkoto. Ba manyo sema nyina ye nim se wo do ho sakoka bibia. Da chi bia ye gi ahome no betimi di ahye blue. Baba bonte na blue na white na stars them and some straight we are your liberty will be taken away from you and tia buying way ye say corruption koso the yaba power be koso at the office on dealing with it. Now when this friends research about bontia, the question ni pan bebre so bi sana say do they also go back to these institutions are we in charge uti say ebe boa ke corruption. Do they go to them? Obisam say, "Yakwa bonting." This is what the ordinary people eka. Okay. Now, most some assessment to say how much, and I say how many way na motimi aye ho adwuma akoduru say. Do they go back to them? As someone who be so be we were discussing as I say, omo research ni nyina area. Do they go back to those who are in charge? Ebiso omo say natimemufo eka. This is what the opponent and answer opposition here. Come on,
opposition and answer citizens.
Citizens, let me put it that way. Now, say na most should do media buy now by their shamans and why I could do.
Now, because omu making it public. So omu making it public, and now why I found one obe requested for no bisa omu say methodology ben na mudi ye. Then na mo hwehwe mo research sample no net saying kanya ebi ati say police service and judges the magistrate o matopi. Sananka wo nanka omumum akobisa se o CDD Ghana okay yati mo research we ye pa mo che omumma ye bi ne ensu ye nhwem na mo ye nsen na mo ne wa mo ne kasai hefa ne hefa enkenye samu
meba question so 2015 dated 5th January 2015 okay Mohammed's government most corrupt in history Imani Ghana patriote me dey be reference to asama obisa okay the entire ma make say when these research babontia the question most of the ordinary citizens who be say, do they also go back? O kasenka, omo no tia, omo ye no publica, tia obaya. And until now, university, uko uni now be we are. We your project work the choir, you go and defend it. You'll be called to come and defend it. And I'm
and
fantastic.
Bad.
So we are. Okay, this is what your choir won't take or kind and say yeka. Police for you, some of the most corrupt people. Ana buying, yes, some are buying a buyer. One of my topic corrupt we are seeing now. Now, most are buying we must you, most will do media say, then you tell it. Okay. But what must say? It's a bit media, I'm I am not going to defend Obia. I am not going to rubbish and answer Sabi. Me cast or master more kind and you know correct. Okay. But you can't weigh the two sides. Okay. Oh, Sabi Obia and Casabia interest here they won't because in Mani Ghana we all know how they are on our neck now. But 2015, in 2015 was Mohammed's government most corrupt in Ghana 4 years ago in history. Was in history. Just a been see that in Mani Ghana. It's that time nobody I said, do they go back? And I say, Koko beside say, want something to say. It will be a research way in an quantitative 1 and 2 years now can see. Don't tell me any level 100.
Therefore, I
can't say, where you are sampling size to say, or research and how did you do it? Where did you arrive at? In album. Okay, this is the report we also have. We are going to tally it far. And I said, boy, Brian, is anymore. This is what then you bring your advice so that you better debate, you better discuss. Say, yeah, we also know where we are arriving at. But what am I saying? And nothing I make us say, Menkasa may support it, say corruption, Koso, and I mean, Kasa may rubbish, but I don't exactly you go back to the because you don't expect so they will report about one time and I public away. Then they call you for discussion. Obaya between you and I think I'm sure they don't do it like that. What am I saying? But you said baby ana Naziru no can say be say aban na corruption ni ade no yabo president abaso mpacho enche bia na Canada based group be leadership for tomorrow ombo president abaso so waya ade wo bo adwuma a wo ye tese na ma oman ne ye dey ekoso followed by US based we so group be almost so born abaso of course the oye nyani nyina na be ye obi afa nyani nyina be ye obi ade abaso born ba say na e show nkra ma ye more criticism ne ba we work on it na eno so ama adwuma wudie na dey akọ na nim.
Thank you Alaji. Enti on that score no se ye kun na ye kun no ye kun pa se ye kun ti akata sisha ene the research ne so pese ehu se ampa ye nwuma kuo no omo ye omo adwuma Jennifer Nsusuye ene ye senka obetimi ni omo so adi nkita ho ne ehun oh enye se de omanfo no adwen ye wo omo kra enko a it could also be that omanfo no to be a ya anti research question na see ana ye hu na ni tunti enko omo so kra betimi ene enwuma kuo no those institutions, you know, are lazy. Because over the years, those reports in the bar, Ediana Mona ya to found cry. We say, Yabekani say, ya, a chinani Friday, Farmers Day, reiterate some. Next week, near council for floor. Now, for Fraba, no, Masia conduct another research.
I'm saying individual political parties through. Yeah, manu cool for no. Same say bar. Woman so our intellectual any research team.
Okay.
Woman etimi edi ekwenim na bebia ntutuye no eda no. Woman de ato na woman ayenhihye ya. Woman ebetimi attend the tide say negative ema political party na woman ayedi. But it's very important so say yebeka yen who say indeed CDD4 the woman first part of the report no eba
last week
no metie MPP4 Penny 4 baby etna ha eka so omoji tum na bibia wo mo beye no wo mo beye afa ho.
Okay.
And a repetition of that na menua no menua Jennifer edi to just say on to me and rubbish and on to me engine to me entirely. But the fact still remains we beside the ordinary Ghanaian on the street which means when say corruption is rife in this country. Corruption senia AC kono and sem fata amacha say ama the ordinary Ghanaian crano ye lose confidence in our whole political system.
Research in the kind
that is the assumption on the street. Say now you're a politician and say oh way more and way more because corruption level no
but report in MPs in Shemo.
Correct. So MPs in Shemo, that is what I'm talking about. Say and no intina I was say yehu anamuntu bia sonku.
Okay.
Na ye nyina no ye kwetia.
Anamuntu ben sa na nka wo hwe kwa.
Yeah, corruption at the higher places leads to the economic depletion of the lower places. Say ne utu ho na hu say your friends are pimfo. Episode na ye de na to your friends structure bi so and say maths na ya so no e de ne for sunsu a. It tells you clearly say it is as a result of someone's corrupt act and a ebia wenya hospital wo ni krase no a owo ebia wenya chip compound e wo ni krase no owo na nka ni say ye de no etwa nsuo nipa no obo say wo hwe no no e na nka so otwa nsuo ebe tra ho e hwe no na wawo so won ya America no say ne yete ho na say mu UTV news me hunu anwumre bia me hu news a say One say more individual journalists be report and wo ye won potem say enye major news no kra no sa report no e de akwan a yenye manfo community watch so on America no akwan a yenye got to be nsuo to ad say ete two communities mu ne ne keka ho wo mo pese ye ma wo mo hu bibia ye afa ho no. All this is as a result of one corrupt act or the other. And ama to say nkwofono enya the benefit of the national cake as a fatasa womu ebenya. It is a corruption wounds and some more. I think it's a collective thing. Yeah mbebunu ewo amanyo semu ye omo amu ye mpanyimfo ema attitude to say Well, because at the end of the day, you know, whatever the situation, if it escalates and I say
and your man knows no leadership position because research is so say a man will leadership position now almost sure corruption less.
I agree with you perfectly well. I agree with you. I believe in that. Mejitum. I believe in that. I believe in the women in the women leadership. So I believe in it. But yet the emabe to however, the political landscape, you know, is very competitive. And here can say yes or no. Say yes for a winner. Not just a political parties, internal primaries. So internal primaries, you know, woko mekrum chamba. Na uko bisa wo say Emmanuel Wohono. Then income very small.
Thank you. On that note, to time
enough to compete with the men na ya kofu mu no na beton ya benze adia ye be nyane ne keka ho no ne
to na godi mami ko Facebook na making kan kakramra ne yen hwe say yen 7 minutes me che ne 33 na di obi apel di aka good antimi famra ne show no munsem ananso say referendum no there was no consensus. Antonio Obiabla de Fie Kumazungu Takrade ya we the discerning people of Ghana are not so keen on Afrobarometer. The point is this: NDP government should be voted out. Period. No plenty talks BR. JDM all the way for 2020. Sandra Usu says, I don't think it's fair for us to link this police issue to politics. What is bad is bad. Some